Let's talk about a huge travel headache, dragging luggage through a beautiful but very snowy city.
So you're planning a trip to Otaru between December and March? This is for you.
Those charming snowy streets, they become a real workout when you're pulling a heavy suitcase.
Your wheels get stuck, you're lifting bags over snow, and good luck finding a taxi.
The good news? There's a super simple strategy to avoid all this hassle. Let's dive in.
Here it is, the golden rule. Store your bags the second you get to the station.
Okay, your action plan starts right inside Otaru Station. It's a really simple flow.
Just follow these 3 steps in order. It's the absolute fastest way to get going.
But what about big suitcases? Winter clothes take up a ton of space, right?
This is probably the single most important tip for a winter visit. Don't wander around.
You want to save your energy for the fun stuff, not for a frustrating locker hunt.
All right, let's look at a couple of other great options for manned storage.
What's really helpful here is seeing how each service is perfect for a different situation.
But hey, what if you're already down by the canal and need to store your bags?
You've still got options. The information center is one, so no need to backtrack.
This chart just breaks it down for you. Find your situation, and there's your solution. Simple.
Following this plan lets you experience that winter magic completely hands-free. No stress. You'll be able to pop into shops and just wander the snowy paths without any hassle.
With your luggage all sorted, the beautiful city of Otaru is all yours to discover.